and they are all manufactured in the heart of the Midlands, in Redditch, for the global market.
We've come to the Hella factory in Nürtingen to talk about the Hella H4000 horizontal machine tool with John Dineen. But first of all, let's talk about when you come to Hella and you see the engineering here. I think German excellence. Now, what does that mean to you, John?
It means quality. It means heritage. It means expertise, knowledge.
Yeah. So there's a lot of heritage here that's been going for a long time, but also this is a big machine. Even the H4000, it's a big machine. But you told me this one's made in the UK. It was shipped over just like we were a couple of days ago.
It is. This is our second smallest machine, of which we manufacture in the UK. H2000, 4000, 6000, and also the equivalent 5-axis machines. And they are all manufactured in the heart of the Midlands, in Redditch, for the global market. And as you say, this was shipped here
exactly.
for the show. Yeah.
Which is fantastic that you're shipping. So German excellence, to me, that's what Hella screams. But when they're made in the UK, is there not a compromise on that German excellence?
No. We integrate with our colleagues in Germany. Our English colleagues come to Germany, our German colleagues come to England. Currently we have German engineers over in the UK working. We go through vigorous training for all of our guys, and obviously all the processes that we follow have all the things that you would see and know about a German product.
So there's no compromise in being made in the UK.
Oh, no, not at all.
What about But the benefits are, I guess, if someone buys a Hella machine, what kind of production line are they running, and why do they need a machine made in the UK?
Well, really, for in the UK market, we're looking at lights out. We're looking at high uptimes on the machines. High 97 to 98%. Service support is absolutely critical. We offer same day,
Why
next day.
Why is that?
Our customers cannot afford time down on the machines. Modern production lines just do not allow it. We are very, very focused on the customer service that we offer. Very much us taking the emotion out of the situations. We know the guy on the end of the phone, whether it's a maintenance engineer, maintenance manager, he wants to get that line of manufacturing as soon as possible, and that's our job to get that.
So how do people know they can rely on the service and support for Hella?
So first of all, the products, but within the UK we have a dedicated service team that are contactable down the phone. We also have our service interface, the way we can integrate modernly now into the machines. We can see exactly what the machines are doing. We have £2 million worth of stock within our UK facility alone, purely for the service market. And also we have the ability to buy and send product from our German plant here into Redditch overnight.
And you can't get that from many machines or providers in the UK?
No, we're benchmark. We are benchmark.
You guys are the gold standard.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the H4000 a bit more. Now, again, like I said, this is one of your smaller ones, but it's a 900mm diameter working space and a 1 meter high working space.
Yeah, the Y-axis, yeah.
So it's an absolutely massive envelope in what is quite a compact machine, but what I find fascinating is it's not just a working envelope. You've got a fantastic spindle, high RPM, good revs.
We offer a full range on the spindle range. Very high torque is a specialist of this product.
Now, what comes as standard?
Standard would be 10,000 RPM, Siemens control, 50 magazine, twin pallet.
Engineering excellence from Hella in terms of the machining technology, but all this good stuff you get from a standard horizontal machine as well. You've got pallet changes. What about, so you've got a tombstone here, you're showing cutting different sizes of the part. What applications is that?
We're in automotive, aerospace, oil and gas. It's very much a variety of materials as well, whether it's from aluminium all the way up to titanium, hard steels. Very much high volume, high production as well. The longevity of the machine is key, the uptime of the machine is key.
Absolutely.
And that combined with the service.
When it comes to the uptime of the machine, obviously normally you'd have a person going in and putting the engine block in, as we saw one of your customers in the UK, or putting in the aerospace part. What about automating these machines? Well, what options are there?
A variety of options. We have palletized systems, we have robotic systems, we can integrate with other partners as well, whether it's to do with quality, washing of the part. So it's basically raw material in, finished part out.
Yeah, which is, you can't get that. There's so many different variables involved in that machining process. You can't achieve that without having a good stable machine tool in the first place.
Correct, yeah. The output on the cell is very much affected by the single machines within the cell, so the uptime of each individual machine is very, very important to an automated cell.
Fantastic. If you're looking for maximum uptime and a machine foundation that you can rely on for your light sound machining cells, check out Hella. Get in touch with John Dineen in the UK or in Hella, Germany if you're in Europe. Brilliant. Thank you very much, John.
Thank you.